Welcome back, friends. Happy Tuesday! It is Tuesday, and it's already November. And you know what? Do you smell that? Do you smell that? And it's not what The Rock is cooking, because with those big muscles, if he was cooking, I would be at his house because he don't miss no meals, okay? I smell feet. Do you smell feet? Sewing feet. This month for November, I'm going to be sewing all kinds of feet, and you're going to be on that journey with me. I'm going to show you several different types of feet, how to use them, and how much easier they can make your sewing life. So dig out those feet. You know you have them. Not those feet, y'all. Those need to go to the salon. Oh, it's just me? It's just my feet that need to go? Okay, that's fine. I'll take that one for the team. I'm Nye with Ellie and Mac. Let's go check out these feet. Come on. Oh, you made it. Lucky you. This week, we're going to talk about the narrow and wide rolled hem feet. These feet can make your life so much easier. The thing about these feet is that if you don't have a serger to make a really nifty rolled edge, you can make a very narrow hem and it will be beautiful and easy and fast. Do you want to see? These come in handy when you're making ruffles, because ruffles generally are a lot longer than, say, your average hem, because it has to be 3 times the length of your hem generally. So if you want just a really thin roll on the edge of your ruffle, that's what this foot is going to do for you. It's going to give you that nice, crisp, finished look to the edge of your roll. If you don't have a serger to do a rolled edge and you don't want to sit there all day rolling and ironing and pressing that hem, which is what I used to do. I once made a dress and it just had ruffles upon ruffles upon ruffles. And the problem with those ruffles is that Nye didn't know anything about a narrow rolled edge. And so Nye did all this pressing and ironing and pressing and ironing and marking and ironing and pressing and ironing of these very, 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 very narrow hems on these ruffles, and then had to sew all of these ruffles. And now, don't get me wrong, it was totally worth it. The dress was beautiful, but I could have cut down my time dramatically had I known about this foot. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a video on how to roll your edges. Yay! Remove your presser foot and put it someplace where you know you're going to find it later. Don't be like Nye and put it on the table and then you can't find it again. Take your rolled foot, set it down, determine the width of the roll with your fabric, and then finger press the first maybe inch-ish of your fabric over so that you can feed it properly into your foot. Next, put your foot into your machine. Feed your fabric into your foot. So then you want to in a little more. Okay, press your foot down. Now, the tough part about this is making sure that you continue to feed your roll in, because what happens is if you happen to let it unfurl, you will not have a rolled hem anymore. Let's try the wider foot.